There are a lot of foldable phones on the market with their unique features, but out of all the colorful options, here we have top 5 best foldable phones. Let's go. At number 5, we have Oppo Find N3 Flip. The Find N3 Flip introduces a refined design over the N2 Flip with new glass panels, more curves, and enhanced durability. And thanks to a newer Gorilla Glass Victus protection and IPX4 splash resistance. The two screens remain the same, a large 6.8-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED and a 3.26-inch external OLED with a 17:9 aspect ratio. The new Find N3 Flip is powered by the latest available Dimensity 9200 chipset with an improved CPU and GPU over the Dimensity 9000 Plus inside the N2 Flip and one of the best chips on the market. The N3 Flip comes with 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and either 256GB or 512GB UFS 4 storage. The Hasselblad enhanced camera on the back now houses 3 imagers, a 50MP OIS primary, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 32MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom. The front camera is also a 32MP shooter, but given how you can use the rear setup for selfies, I doubt many people will use it for anything other than video calls. It has a battery capacity of 4300 mAh, 5G connectivity and dual SIM. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Flip 5 comes with the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. The base storage has been doubled to 256GB, which is also a most welcome change. Minor tweaks can be spotted in the camera system, but it remains essentially the same. Similarly, the internal display may have gotten a brightness boost, but that too is hardly a groundbreaking update. But perhaps expectations for disruptive change are unrealistic, and the Z Flip 5 brings just the right amount of differences and improvements to make it a worthy successor. It has a battery capacity of 3700 mAh and supports both wired and wireless charging, 5G connectivity, and eSIM. Number 3. Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. The chipset intended for this device is a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2, LTPO OLED Plus, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus, and Dolby Vision. On the rear camera, we have a 50MP main lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 2 telephoto lenses with 5x optical zoom and 3.2x optical zoom. This phone has a battery capacity of 4800 mAh and supports both wired and wireless charging, 5G connectivity, and dual SIM. Number 2. Honor Magic V2. The Honor Magic V2 has had its international debut at IFA 2023, bringing Honor's latest foldable to the Western market, and it's an incredible bit of foldable kit. It's the thinnest and lightest foldable on the market, very shallow internal crease and premium display tech on both screens, 50MP main and 50MP ultra-wide lenses, 20MP telephoto lens which does 2.5x optical zoom, and AI-infused Falcon capture. The Magic V2 sports the same Falcon shot camera tech from the flagship Honor Magic 5 Pro, using a combination of AI and fast lenses to capture much more detail from fast-moving subjects. The chipset intended for this device is a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 and 16GB of RAM with 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of internal storage. This phone has a battery capacity of 5000 mAh and 66W wired charging, 5G connectivity, and dual SIM. Number 1. Google Pixel Fold. The chipset intended for this device is Google Tensor G2. The inner display is 7.6 inches foldable OLED with 120Hz refresh rate, and outer display is 5.8 inches OLED 120Hz refresh rate. It has 12GB of RAM with 256GB and 512GB of internal storage. This phone has a 40MP main lens with OIS, a 10.8MP telephoto lens, and it does 5x optical zoom with OIS, and a 10.8MP ultra-wide lens. Both screens get very bright, meaning that using the phone outside is easy. The cover screen on the Pixel Fold is particularly great because of its size and aspect ratio. This phone has a battery capacity of 4,821 mAh, and it supports both wired and wireless charger, 5G connectivity, and eSIM. Well guys, it's the end of the video and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment and subscribe to this channel.